Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install drivers if your OS requests them, and plug the Launchkey 49 into USB. Make sure your DAW recognizes the controller by checking MIDI inputs in Preferences. Select the Launchkey as MIDI in and out. Once done, power on the unit and confirm pads and keys light up so you know hardware works. You do this because a recognized device avoids phantom notes and mapping errors later. So don't skip verifying lights, MIDI activity, and basic key response now. You now map the Launchkey to your workflow. Pick DAW mode for automatic mappings or MIDI mode when you need custom control. Use your DAW's MIDI learn to assign knobs and faders. Twist a control and click the parameter so assignments stick. Once assigned, save the template or project to recall mappings quickly. Also configure the arpeggiator, octave shift, and transpose buttons to access higher ranges. This gives immediate musical flexibility. After mapping, play a sequence to confirm CC numbers match the destinations. You finish by playing and recording. Arm the MIDI track in your DAW, press record, and perform with the keyboard and pads. Use the Launchkey's transport and clip launch controls to control recording and arrangement live. Once recorded, quantize or edit MIDI notes, then save both the project and any controller templates so your mappings persist. If something goes wrong, first check USB power and cable, then confirm MIDI channel alignment and DAW input routing. These steps fix most connection or mapping failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.